Okay, so it has been a minute since I made one of these videos, but I'm really excited to get back into it and to show you guys how to do some makeup. So let's get started. I already moisturized my face, so now I'm going to prime it with this Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I went shopping the other day. I am very excited about this. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids. Now for the grand opening. Okay. Oh, it has a protective... Oh! Did not expect that. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Crash on my transition shade. Okay, then I'm gonna go with Off Balance. Pretty. I kind of want to use Frazzled too. I'm gonna use Frazzled. Actually, I'm gonna use Ultraviolet all over my lid. Oh girl, that is pigmented. Alright, we're gonna do a little vortex on the outer corner. Oh my god, this is just magical, you guys. And then on the inner corners, we're gonna do a pop of Super Moon. I've never used this eyeliner before. It has two sides. One side is a pencil, the other side is a liner, a liquid liner. Okay, I'm gonna use this Clinique BB cream. Unfortunately, they're not cruelty-free, so I won't be buying it again until they are cruelty-free. This is my highlighter. This is my contour stick. Okay, now I'm gonna use this new lipstick. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh. Ooh, it's magnetic. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Now some brows. Okay, now we're gonna trace our brows a little bit. And now the last step for me, mascara. Thanks for watching.